Welcome back, fellas, to this new video of Tech Express. Today let's talk about PayPal. So if you need to top up your PayPal balance to buy something online, here is a quick secret, because you actually don't have to. So if your bank account or credit card is already linked to PayPal, will automatically pull the money for your purchase, so you don't need an actual balance. So if you still wanted to keep it balanced for budgeting or specific transfers, you'll show you exactly how to move money from your bank to the PayPal wallet, which the first and most important thing is to sign in into PayPal. The next thing, to add money, you must have a confirmed bank account. So if I focus into the left section that says pay and get paid, I wanted to focus for the section that says balanced. If you want to, you can of course go for the option that says start, and you can start those elements next time you wanted to focus directly in that. Now if you focused into linking a bank, it might be here appearing this element that says banks. It says link a bank. So when I click directly into the option that says link a bank, you might need to follow the prompts in order to link your actual bank. In my case, or in most cases, what you needed to do is to add your own account number, your account name, and key into the option that says link your bank. Once this information has now been correctly, most banks now support instant verification. If yours doesn't, PayPal will send you tiny deposits to your account. So assuming, for example, that the PayPal sent to you, let's say for example 0.45 cents. So what you need to do is to enter those amounts back into the application to confirm that you have received the exact amount, and that this is, for example, your own bank information, right? So next thing is to adding the actual money. So once your bank is ready, you wanted to type to your profile balance into the home screen. So it might be appearing something like this, and here usually you can select the option that says add money from your bank, or look out for the option that says request the money. Usually this might be making the actual trick, right? But some regions now offers instant top up through applications like the Trustly local equivalents. So if you see this, the transfer is immediately through. There might be a small fee. Now if you are not able to request money through your own bank account, well, the other option is to add cash to a store. So if you don't want to use a bank, fine, you can add a physical card. So you can choose a participating store near you, so the application will generate an actual barcode. Let me explain this a little bit more. If I open any tab, I go for PayPal gift card, you can see that there's a lot of gift cards that you can purchase, and of course what you need to do is to just redeem the actual code directly here into PayPal, and that money will be straight right away directly into your banking account. A note that you might be needing to take in mind is that PayPal does no longer, specifically speaking about my country, does no longer holds the currency balance directly into this account. If I have money available into PayPal, this automatically will be sent directly into my bank account. This is just for security reasons, and I cannot change that. If this is the actual thing that happens directly to your own banking account, it happens directly to yourself, well, basically you must just go and focus only with paying with credit or debit card, which in my case, this is the only way of how you can actually use PayPal. Adding a credit or debit card directly here into PayPal, and when I make the actual purchase of PayPal, well, PayPal just take that money directly from my banking account. So that's it. So whether you're using your bank or the physical card, your PayPal balance is ready to go. You can always check directly here into PayPal if you're available to purchase a debit card from PayPal. But this is totally depending on the country you're currently living. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys, to this video if you want to see more great tools of how you can get started directly here inside of PayPal, and so much more. Thank you once again, guys. See you next time.